The Diamond Residence in Seminye, Kayang, is a testament to the marriage of comfort and functionality in its meticulously crafted design. This double-story link house spans 1,862 square feet, ensuring generous living spaces that prioritize comfort above all else. Boasting 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, it effortlessly accommodates both residents and visitors, fostering a sense of inclusivity and warmth. What truly sets the Diamond Residence apart is its tranquil atmosphere, enveloping residents in serenity during the evening hours. Whether unwinding after a long day or contemplating retirement plans, the peaceful ambience of the residence provides the perfect backdrop for relaxation and reflection.